Hey guys, Joey Prey here. My wife's friends tell her that their husband never unloads the dishwasher. So, let me give you a little tutorial. I'm still a student of this, but I can help you with it a little bit. All right, first thing is, figure out if the dishwasher is running or not. Now we've got two drawers. It's always a mystery to me, but I found that. See this right here? There's a little light on, and then, I can hear it running. Don't unload that one. That one's still running. The bottom one, the light's not on. It's not running. It's not making any noise. So I think that must be the one we're supposed to unload. Let's see. How about that? There's stuff in there. All right. Well, first we just kind of start taking it out. We can set it up here on the counter. Some of this I think I know what to do with. It goes in the cupboard. Oh, there's more than one of these in there. This goes in this cupboard. More glasses. I think these go in that cupboard. So on and so forth. Hey, look at this. Silverware. That must go in here. Little fork, big spoon. These must go with the dishes. Oh, I go over here. Oh, yeah, shut the cupboards. Your wife really appreciates that. And that's how you unload a dishwasher. Look, it's empty. Be sure to close the dishwasher. Now, my next installment will be, where's the rest of this stuff go? That's another tutorial. Maybe one of you guys can help me figure that out. See ya.